So, exogenous ketones. This seems to be one topic that people in the keto community are split on. Do they really do anything? Or do they actually stop fat burning? Keep watching to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kate. I'm a health coach and I post videos on a high fat, low carb way of eating, intermittent fasting, ketosis, all that good stuff. If you want to see more, make sure to click that subscribe button. If you aren't sure what exogenous ketones are, they are a supplement that is made to mimic the ketones produced by our own bodies. Pretty much they're just ketones that you are ingesting instead of creating internally. Some people say that if you are already in ketosis and your body is producing ketones, then there is no need to take them externally. And I do agree with this to an extent. If you are in ketosis and making progress towards your goals, you're losing weight, everything that you want to happen is happening, then yeah, there probably isn't much need for you to take ketones. But that being said, there are a few situations where they might be beneficial. The first one is when you are getting into ketosis for the first time. When your body is first transitioning between using carbs for fuel to using ketones for fuel, you kind of get stuck in the middle while you're making this transition. This leads to a whole bunch of symptoms, otherwise known as the keto flu. And when you take exogenous ketones, when you are first transitioning, this will help eliminate these symptoms. If you've eaten a meal or you've had a day that was really carb heavy, then you may fall out of ketosis. Taking exogenous ketones can help you get back into ketosis faster. Exogenous ketones before exercise can help improve your performance. Even if you are already in ketosis, taking exogenous ketones before exercise can get you into a deeper state. I've done this personally and I always feel a boost when I take them beforehand. The big question, do they stop fat burning? I mean, yes, technically, in that moment when you ingest them, fat burning is gonna be put on hold. But when you take them, you are signaling to your body, okay, now it's time to burn ketones, and as soon as you burn through them, your body will start using its own instead. They help you getting into ketosis quicker and deeper, so long term, they are gonna actually support your body burning more fat. A few other benefits of exogenous ketones: they help to lower and regulate blood sugar, they improve cognitive function, and they can also help to decrease appetite. So to recap, from day to day, if you are an average person eating a keto diet, hitting your goals, then yeah, there's really no need for you to take them. But if you are someone who is first getting into ketosis or is looking for a way to get back into ketosis when you do fall out here and there, or if you are looking for improved athletic performance, then exogenous ketones can help. The absolute only brand I use is Perfect Keto. Honestly, I love this company so much. They always have the best ingredients. I was comparing it to another brand earlier, and the other brand was using sugar alcohol in it, so it technically had 5 grams of carbs and then 4 grams of sugar alcohol. There is absolutely no sugar alcohol in this. It is sweetened with stevia. I have tested my ketones before and after taking this, and they always go up at least 1.0. Perfect Keto only has 15 calories in a serve, where some of the other brands, it's like 45 up to 100. And where is that coming from? They're just adding extra ingredients and fillers in that you really don't need. I have been using this for almost a year now. I think if you go back to maybe my February favorites video from the start of the year, that was when I had first started using it, and I was just raving about it then, and I'm still raving about it now. I actually just got a promo code for you guys, so if you want to try them out, click the link in my bio. Seriously, you will not regret it. Today's question is there a good keto alternative to milk? So it really depends what you're using it for. If you're used to using it in coffee, I would use probably an unsweetened almond milk instead. Just really make sure that there is no vegetable oil in it, and also that it's unsweetened, because those are two things that are very hard to find in an almond milk. I mean, if you're buying a coffee out at the cafe or something, I usually opt for cow's milk over their almond milk because, yeah, it's usually sweetened and it usually has vegetable oil and just a whole bunch of other weird ingredients to kind of make it more like the consistency of regular milk. So whenever I'm out, yeah, I'll just use normal milk just to be safe. It is a little bit higher in carbs, but it's not the end of the world. If you're putting it in a smoothie or something, you can use like tinned coconut milk instead, or even if you're making like a chia pudding or something like that. Tinned coconut milk has a really like thick consistency, so yeah, it's really good at thickening things up. Anyways guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.